Hello friends, welcome back to the channel SK45, and in this video today we are going to talk about async and await. Okay, async and await is a powerful and a shorthand way to make the function asynchronous. Okay, in the last video we talked about the promise, and further in last video we talked about the callback and callback hell. Okay, this is a simple way of making our function asynchronous, and I can also say that this is the shorthand way of implementing the promises. Okay, so if you have not seen my previous video on promise, you can go and have a look into that. If you already know about the promise, it's good, and we can just see that. Okay, so let me create an some function called greet, or yes, greet, and return return hi. Okay, and let me call a function called function reply. Here I'm just taking a constant and what do we call message is equal to greet. Here we are checking that if message equal to hi, then we are going to reply it something console.log called hello. Okay, if greeting is hi, then reply is hello. So let's call it just let's check it. It's working fine as a simple function. Okay, this is nothing, you can see there is nothing implemented asynchronous. Okay, what I can call just reply function. Okay, let's just check it. Fine, we are seeing that hello function. Okay, so just assume that here in the greeting function some long callback, some long functionality is being done, like API call, IO operation, something else, database call. So it can get some delay here. So what we need to do, we need to make this function asynchronous, writing this way async. If we write async, our function become asynchronous. That means the result can be produced later on. Okay, so uh, this is how we are producing some result, some delay result. And I can say is that this is equals to, return uh, return greet promise is equal to new promise, and what we called executor resolve comma reject. Okay, this is equals to writing this. Okay, we can resolve here, and we can say hi. This is similar to this. If we don't write async keyword, if we don't write async keyword, you can see how a little complex, a little more complex, a little more verbose to return the promise, or return a delay result, future result, and that too calling that further complex, a little complex. How we have to call it, like then. Okay, because it's returning a promise, so we have to handle it by then, or catch, or finally. You already seen in the previous video. So that's why this is a shorthand way of writing, implementing this promise or asynchronous function. See how simple is that. Now coming to the reply function. So as we know that we are going to get the result in future, and that means after some delay, there would be something to do. There we need to do something to wait for that result. Okay, wait for that result to come. So what we need to do? Constant message uh, await await sorry, const message, how we do it, await, no, oh, I think I'm writing it the wrong place. Oh, sorry, what I'm missing here is await function. Await keyword cannot be used without async function. So that means await can be used only in the asynchronous function. Okay, where is this? Am I writing at wrong place? Oh yes. So we need to wait for this function to be executed. So that's why we are writing here await keyword. That means we don't need to write the then handling block. Okay. Uh, if we don't write async, we are going to get the errors. Okay. If we write, if we have to use the await, we have to make this function also a synchronous function. Okay, because this function is also it's also dependent on this function execution, and this function will make delay. So ultimately this reply function will also make some delay. So that's why this function also has to be asynchronous. Okay, and everything is same, everything rest of the things are same. We don't need to do anything, and you see the result is the same. And how simple is that? So it looks like I can make you know even my existing function, if I have to refactor my existing code, which is based on callback or something else, and I want to make that asynchronous. How easy is that to convert that existing function into a synchronous function? You see that? Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to make one more function. I'm going to make one more function which is going to say start chat. Okay, don't assume like we are going to do something related to chat, just a function name. So if greeting is hi hello is done, then we can say chat start chat is done. Okay, so what here I need to check that um, what I need to check that uh, okay, sorry. So what I need to check here is that if hi hello is happened successfully, and I am getting in message in return okay, then I can think of like, okay, this is a correct flow. So from here I can return okay, and else I can say return failed. Okay, so we don't need to do any kind of uh, again and again writing that promises resolve and reject. We don't need to do that. It's a simple common function way of writing the asynchronous calls. So what I'm doing here, waiting for greeting message hi. If the message is hi, we are printing that, or we can say we are replying that as hello. and saying that okay, execution got successful, so giving you the result of okay, otherwise consider this as fail. Okay, so in the chat function here also again I am going to say const message is equal to, or just a little more meaningful name is that result is equal to await await reply, because because this function is also a synchronous function. This is also going to make some delay. That's why we have to do await here, and if we have to use the await here, we have to make this function also async function. Okay, and here I can say if uh, result is equal to okay, so we can say console.log uh, chat started. Okay, else we can say whatever we want. Okay, console.log uh, console.log print this message, result message. Okay, okay, now call this function start chat. Start chat. You see this? Hmm. So this message said uh, sorry, here greeting resulted returned as hi. It has not printed, that's why we are not able to see here hi. So let's print here console.log hi. Okay, it is returning hi, greeting saying hi, and the reply came as, if reply function see message as hi, it prints hello and return okay. The start check function checks the reply. If the result is okay, then consider the chat started, and then otherwise it's going to make it fail. So we saw that it's hi hello started chat. Okay, hi hello chat started. Let's fail it. So instead of returning okay, say something else like I'm returning 500. Okay, so what we are going to say, hi hello, this hi hello is coming from console, so it is misleading here. Don't get confused. So in terms of just to make it clear, I hope you understanding this. Okay, okay, so that previously it was saying hello but 500, because we were just calling that printing that from the console function. Okay, so instead of it's better to say what we can say, I can say let reply message is equal to hello instead of. So here I can say reply message, and here I can also say the reply message. Okay, so now it's not confusing, it is more clear. So in case of successful, it is saying hello hello uh, oh oh, I have to print it here, okay, because the start chat is based on that. Okay, hi hello chat started, and just change this as something, no hello. Okay, and see, it should get failed. Hi no hello, why chat started, why chat started. Oh, oh, message. Oh, sorry, sorry, not here. Here is the reply. I need to return here no hi, because based on no hi, our result is going to depend. See this. This hi is just printing. I'm let greet message is equal to hi. Okay, print this. Greet message. Greet message. Return greet message. Greet message. Okay, so here it would be successful. Hi, hello chat. Start chat, and him are saying no hi. So it should be fail. No hi and fail. So how simple is this to write, asynchronous call? And you can also see here the asynchronous call chaining is happening. uh, the reply function waits for the greeting function to be executed. You can also see, the start chat function depends on uh, reply depends on greet, as in the common function happens. Nothing a special chaining we have to do. Okay, so this is all about the async and await function. Okay, async and await keyword. Okay, so I would say, whenever you see the use of asynchronous function, use this async and await keyword. Enjoy that. Okay, this is all about this video. Thank you. Stay connected. If you like this, please like it and subscribe it. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.